Hey everyone, if you have noticed an incorrect email address showing up in your Gmail, don't worry, today I'll show you exactly how to remove it. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Gmail app. Once you are in, tap on the Compose button at the bottom right corner to start a new mail. In the To field, start typing the incorrect email address. As you start typing, you may notice the incorrect email address pop up as an auto-suggest option. To remove this, tap and hold on the incorrect email address that shows up, just like this. And you will see a small pop-up menu appear. Tap on Hide Suggestion. Tap on Hide. This will delete the incorrect email from your suggestion list, so it won't pop up the next time you start typing. Now if you start typing that email again, you should notice it no longer appears in the suggested contacts. And there you go, you have successfully removed that incorrect email from Gmail on your phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.